Welcome. We are going to discuss about postulates of the special theory of relativity, which was proposed by Albert Einstein in the year 1905 as a part of his three important research papers. One is about electrodynamics, second one is a special theory of relativity, third one is photoelectric effect. The theory of relativity is a very important concept which deals with micro world objects which moves with the speed of almost the speed of light. For normal speeds this theory cannot be applied. However, if the object is moving at a speed nearer to the speed of light, then theory of relativity comes into action. It has so many consequences. It changed the modern era of physics in various fields. The theory of relativity proposed by Albert Einstein has two postulates. One, the postulate popularly known as the principle of relativity, and second one is called the constancy of speed of light in vacuum. The first postulate, namely the principle of relativity, says the laws of physics are same in all inertial frames of reference. What does it mean? The inertial frames of reference, normally we say there are two frames of reference, inertial and non-inertial frames. In the inertial frame of reference, either the object remain at rest or it moves with a constant speed. So, all physical laws are same in all inertial frames of reference, which means the inertial frame of reference, the object is at rest or moves with uniform speed, both means the same, they have no difference. In this case the force applied on the object is 0, hence we also treat this frame of reference as non-accelerated frame of reference. The second postulate, the constancy of speed of light in vacuum. The speed of light in vacuum is constant in all inertial frames of reference, and the speed of light is taken as 2.998 into 10 power 8 meters per second. This was the value of the speed of light irrespective of the medium in which it is travelling in vacuum. If the medium, for example, if it enters into a denser medium like water or glass, the speed may change, but in vacuum, irrespective of the frame of reference, the speed of light always remains constant. The speed of light remaining constant means, suppose if the source is at rest or the source is moving, then the speed of light does not change. For example, if you are in a car which is moving at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour, if you on a light, the speed of light will be 2.998 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Even if the car is at rest, the speed of light will be the same. That means irrespective of the observer at rest or in motion, the speed of light always remains constant. This is the second postulate which led to the so many consequences. So, that means the speed of light is independent of what you can the external factors. This concept of theory of relativity, the two postulates led to the so many important concepts. Events are happening at the same time for one observer, they may not be simultaneously same for another one, and when two observers moving relative to each other, suppose if they measure the time or space, they may not have the same results. For example, if a clock is there in a spaceship, at the same time the clock which is on the earth at which is at rest, the time measured by the clock in motion at higher speeds runs slower than the clock at rest, which means there is a time dilation. Even time is not a constant according to Einstein. So, mass is also in the same manner, it does not remain constant. So, for momentum and kinetic energy considered in all inertial systems, Newton's second law, the equations of momentum, kinetic energy must be revised. So, according to Newtonian concept, the mass is constant. But in order to prove this law of conservation of momentum and energy, it need to have some correction. So, mass is variable. The concept of relativistic mechanics entered, and the concept of variable mass, variable length, time dilation, length contraction, these concepts are introduced by theory of relativity, and it led to so many effects in our day to day life. We can see some important phenomena of astronomical phenomena, supernova, black holes, huge energies at ultra speeds, and also the electromagnets which are used for accelerating the particles. This if the particle is moving at a speed nearer to that of light, its mass enormously increases. And similarly in GPS navigation, satellite launch, the gold yellow color and gold resistance to corrosion, liquid mercury, the travelling of light, managing of space travel, the communication systems, and into study of sun. In all these areas in day to day life, we can utilize this theory of relativity postulates. I hope you have understood about the basic concept of the two postulates of the theory of relativity. Thank you.